we'll just move to the trials and you see how this pack is really working. Okay, so we'll see about that. Yeah, I still have time. So just to remind you, this is the first time I'm coming here. I haven't come to this place. Yeah, I just see my Google Maps near to my home. I knew that it's near to the hill, so obviously there will be a lot of space will be there. I knew it, but it never came. So this is the first time I'm coming along with you guys. Seriously, I guess I can make some off-road videos if you need it. You can make some off-road videos here, no problem. Okay, that's fine. It's a very good off-road place, yeah, obviously. So there is a lot of space with this. It's really nice. Say only it rained, so we don't know that how this thing will work. Not. So that's it. So you see that handlebar handling. Okay. So with this pack, you might think that yes, it might add the weight, so we don't get the balance and those kind of things. Obviously you would be speaking, yeah, but it's not like in this case. So as you can see that I have a very good maneuver. Yeah, I can rotate it very okay, so I can make the circle easily, so no problem. That is one thing. So I guess it works. Yeah, it works. It does works. Yeah. It does works. So if you want to turn, yes, tight turn. Yeah. Okay. So I just made a quick circle. So that also is working very well. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So see how this bag behaves in these kind of aspects. Yeah. I hope now it explains you clearly why this bag is far more better in these aspects. Yeah. Of course, baby. Yeah. By the way, I just turned the front tire, so I hope that it does give some grip. Oh yeah, that's really nice. Yeah, it's really nice, man. It's really nice. Okay. Wow. It's really nice. It's really nice. If you want it, yeah. Okay. It's really fun. Okay, that's really nice. Really nice. Whoa. So yeah, I hope this video will not break you or bore you, I guess. So that's it. We'll move on. I forgot the place to return. Yeah, we can go by that way. Actually, I came by that way. Fine. Yeah, I hope this video helps you in the way. So thank you guys for watching. It really means a lot. So just give me the 4 free products. As I say, like, comment, subscribe, share. There is more than enough. That is enough for me. Yes, from your side I'm expecting only the thing is that is it. Like, comment, subscribe and share. I hope this video is not so length and I'm not being bored you. I guess. Doubts, do comment. Any doubts, do comment. We'll talk about it. Good. The grip was there and the tires really done well its job. Cool. Okay, so yeah, thank you guys. Love you a lot. Thank you for watching. Any doubts, do comment. I'll just explain you and everything. Love you guys.